In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to change your Piggyvest password. So all you just need to do, just log into your Piggyvest mobile app on your Android or on your iPhone. Then the next thing you're going to do, just click on account. Down below you can see account, so just click on account. Then it's going to take you straight down to this page. Then scroll all the way down to security. You can see security right there, so click on that. Then you can see change password, so just click on change password. Then this page is gonna load like this. So you have to provide your current password, provide the known password, and confirm the known password. So once you do that, you can see what happened next. So you'll be logged out of your account and will be able to require you to log in with the known password again, and then just click on update and log out. So once you do that, your password will be updated and you'll be able to log in with the known password, and that is all.